Citizens Bank or Silicon Valley Bank? Which one's right for you? In this video, we'll compare both to help you decide. Check the description for links to their products. Let's dive in. Citizens Bank offers full service with a strong presence across the Northeast, Midwest, and Southeast. They cater to individuals, families, and small businesses with everything from student loan refinancing and mortgages to personal loans and rewards credit cards. Their checking and savings accounts offer competitive rates and minimal fees, plus a great mobile app with mobile check deposit, budgeting tools, and bill pay. Small businesses also benefit from tailored merchant services, cash management, and flexible loans. Citizens Bank is perfect for those wanting an all-in-one financial partner with local branches and robust digital tools. Silicon Valley Bank, or SVB, focuses on startups, tech companies, and venture-backed businesses. They offer innovative banking solutions for entrepreneurs and investors, including startup banking, venture debt, and tailored lending for high-growth companies. SVB's unmatched expertise in the tech and innovation sectors provides dedicated resources for managing equity rounds, IPOs, and global scaling. While individual customer options are limited, their robust digital platform is ideal for efficient cash flow management, investment banking, and strategic advice. So, which bank is for you? If you're an individual or small business owner looking for traditional banking with strong rewards and loan options, Citizens Bank is excellent. But if you're a startup founder, entrepreneur, or tech investor, Silicon Valley Bank's specialized expertise gives you a distinct advantage. Explore the links below to learn more and choose the bank that fits your goals.